Hello everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel Bramble Reed. This week I'm going to teach you guys how to make the paper mache cactus succulent bowl idea. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion and home repair that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. Okay guys, so this week we're going to be making the paper mache cactus, which is part of a succulent bowl idea theme that I'm doing. And I wanted to show you, so I went looking for a cactus and oh my goodness, this bowl is epic. Look at that. I'm going to make this, or at least attempt to make it later on, but let's get back to the cactus. So I went to Dollarama and found these are little teeny candles. They're probably about the size that you see. And I wanted to make this one here for my cactus. What we're going to do is, because we need that curved portion here, we're going to take our paper, we're going to take our toilet paper holder and we're going to cut it almost about, it's about 3/4, not quite half down, and then in between those little slots that you cut, you're going to cut it again small, and that's just to give you the shape so that you can curve up at the top. Okay. You can either tape it down or you can hot glue it. I'm going to tape this one. When we do the moose head, I'm going to start hot gluing. And then also, I already did my moose head, so don't buy this masking tape from the dollar store. It's horrible. Dollar Tree, Dollarama. They don't stick well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to shape it, and now I'm going to put masking tape all the way around. And then with the masking tape, just kind of shape it up. So you're going to just put masking tape all the way around it, turn it all the way up, and now one thing that I would recommend is, because I'm making my cactus for my succulent bowl, I want to just kind of make sure that the height, the width, the thickness, everything, the dimension of the cactus is appropriate. It may be a little bit too high. I think I probably want it like that small. If you want to make your cactus smaller in circumference, cut your toilet paper and just make it a little bit smaller and then do the slits. So once you've covered your entire cardboard with the masking tape, we're just going to, we are not going to do that. Comment down below and tell me, what do you think of creating a paper mache cactus? So before I actually put the paper mache toilet paper clay on my cactus, I wanted to change the color because I didn't want stark white. So what I did was I put on acrylic paint, hunter green, leaf green, a little bit of black, and deep turquoise, and I mixed it so that I got close to the cactus color. This is still a little bit dark because you want it a little bit more greenish like that, but we can work on that later on once the color dries. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fingers inside. I don't want to damage the circumference because I want it to be a circle. And then also when I'm putting my paper mache on, I'm not going to go all the way down because I still want to be able to take it off my finger and put it down. And all I'm going to do is, it's a little bit much. Okay guys, now I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and I'm going to actually dry it and then come back and just kind of do layers on it. And I'm gonna dry this in the oven at 180. Now that you know how to make the paper mache cactus succulent bowl ideas, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you're interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself, I do have that Facebook page that you're able to upload different crafts and DIY content. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on paper mache toilet paper clay and also my paper mache designer bowls creative designer and my upcoming video paper mache rocks succulent bowl idea. Now if you like these videos, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share the videos with your family and friends.